afternoon to everyone and welcome to
Check.
Okay, by the way, my name is Mark and I'd like you to meet my friend. She's female. She's the eldest female South American sea lion that we have here, and her name is none other than Isis.
Hello everybody.
Hi there guys, my name is Ivan and this is my friend, one of the youngest South American sea lions that we have, none other than Yeti. Hi. Okay, what do you think is the reason why sea lions are called fin or feather footed marine mammals? Hey, do you have feathers? Well, because of their front flipper, which are shaped like a bird's wing. The term pinnipeds may also be translated as wing-footed, since the flippers do look somewhat like wings. In fact, sea lions appear to be flying underwater as they swim from place to place, right guys?
Yes.
Yes, and they are often mistaken as seals, because they look very much alike. One obvious difference between seals and sea lions is that they have bigger front flipper, and they can also turn their back flipper, something seals cannot do. As a result, they can walk upright along land. And they surely walk on land. How about a round of applause with our sea lion friends? And you know what? They have long and flexible neck. How flexible it is? Check this out. Well, that's what we say. How about another big round of applause with our sea lion friends? As you can see, their body is covered with a thin coat of short, coarse hair. Their whiskers help the sea lion's sense of touch. It contains nerve fiber, which make them sensitive. They also use their whiskers to have navigation or to detect vibration from prey in the water. And their small external ears give them a good sense of hearing both above and below the surface of the water. And just like many marine mammals, sea lions can see both above and below the surface of the water. They have a keen eyesight, but no